Hi, I'm Michelle Gumabao. I'm 20 years old and I'm taking up marketing management here in LaSalle.
So for the first question, what motivated you to get into volleyball and how exactly did you start?
I started back in high school. I trained in high school, pero naglalaro ako ng grade school pa lang. So yung sisters ko, my two older sisters, they play volleyball also. So yun lang, yun ako nag-start. Nahiligan ko kasi I watched them play. Tapos nagde-training lang ako nung high school just to be physically fit. And then tried out here in college.
So can you tell us more about your most memorable competition or event, and then what's your best experience in playing for LaSalle?
So, siguro UAAP talaga yung most memorable events kasi yun naman yung biggest event namin for the whole year. Most memorable siguro our past 2 seasons kasi syempre back-to-back champion and winning streak talaga. So, ano nangyari. And most memorable experience so far, siguro everyday na nag-training kami with a team na nakikita-kita kayo araw-araw. So,
how did volleyball change your life?
Siguro with volleyball, I became more disciplined and natutunan talaga, I learned how to work with other people. Kasi sa high school, hindi naman ako sobrang career mode sa volleyball, parang curricular activities lang. So when I came here to LaSalle, parang iba yung environment ng volleyball, sobrang competitive, collegiate level na, national level na. So yun, it taught me to be more persistent, hardworking, tsaka disciplined when it comes to games, to training, balance mo yung studies mo.
So how do you balance your time between academics and volleyball, like practice?
Siguro everyday, masasabi ko talaga go to class. Kasi yun lang talaga yung paano ko mababalance yung studies mo. Don't cut class. Kasi syempre pag after training, pagod ka na, gusto mo na magpahinga. So, what I do is, I go to class para kahit paano, marinig mo yung sabihin ng prof, hindi ka laging maghahabol. And yun, time management, know what to prioritize lang. Pag training, think about training. Pag nasa class ka naman, only think about your schoolwork. So, yan.
So, do you have any rituals like you do before and after the game?
Before and after the game, of course, we pray as a team. And then, nag-usap-usap kami lagi kung anong strategy ka na kailangan gawin. Before game, like kami nagpapapowers in the morning kasi para magising yung katawan early in the morning. And rituals, wala naman specific.
So, do you believe in any philosophy when it comes to volleyball?
What I believe in is there's always room for improvement. So, whatever you do, kaya pa higitan, kaya pa mag-improve. So, lagi kang open matuto kahit anong year mo na, kahit senior ka na, or kahit bata ka pa lang, kahit anong na-achieve mo, kailangan lagi, pag may sinasabi yung coaches, kailangan laging open mind and open ears. Lagi nang papakinggan.
So, what can you say about the overwhelming response you get from the fans and then from other schools, not just the LaSallians?
First of all, sobrang thankful ko kasi kahit hindi naman talaga ako lumaki gumaling sa volleyball ever since high school, katulad ng mga teammates ko. Sobrang dami pa rin support, not just from the LaSallian community, kahit yung mga fans, makikita mo sila, papakamatay sila para lang makapag-picture sa'yo. So, sobrang overwhelming talaga nung support. And nakakatuwa naman kasi you get to inspire people, lalo na yung mga bata, may magkasabi sa'yo na, when I grow up, gusto ko maging katulad, ganyan, ganyan. So, sobrang thankful ako dahil I got this opportunity para maka-inspire sa ibang tao. And siguro, super thankful din ako sa lahat ng alumni, sa buong school na nag-support sa team natin.
So, for the last question, what's next for you? What do we expect for the next season of UAAP and then for the championship?
Siguro this season, you can expect na we're gonna do our best and come back from our previous game. So, yung setback namin previous game, disappointing siya, pero it's a lesson learned for us. So, siguro, sabi ko nga sa teammates ko, it's about time na you feel na paano naman matalo. Kasi kailangan mo ng drive para manalo, to win the championship. You need to have that drive. And siguro yun yung wake-up call sa amin ni God na kailangan yung matalo para maramdaman nyo na hindi lang easy-easy yung pagdadaanan namin this championship. So, what we can promise is we're gonna do our best. We're gonna train for it, we're gonna work hard for it, and hopefully, makuha namin yung goal namin this season.
So, thank you.
Thank you.